We're at Seagull Hotel Seagull Restaurant. It's a waterfront restaurant. Waterfront. So, Hotel Seagull Restaurant, Fort Kochi. Hotel Seagull Restaurant, Waterfront. Guys, this is like such a nice spot. Look at the water moving. Like I feel like I'm
hot. I've been sitting there.
just surrounded by.
Like chicken noodle. Why?
They keep it on that chair, our chair. And don't put the chair down. Guys! We are here at Seagull Outdoors. There's thunder. We don't know if it's going to rain. Lime juice and our kingfisher beer.
In the water. There's so much junk in the water.
Doing it again. Round 2.
Hello.
It's a Seagull restaurant, guys.
Just found
Prawn fry, chimney
I found
fry.
lobster over there. No, wait, it just swam up and back down.
Cheers to Seagull prawns. Oh my god! It's amazing. Lime juice, beer, the prawns. I'm getting VIP service because I'm Princess. I'm Princess Jasmine. So guys, chili jigger.
So everything has come. No problem. I can do it.
Cheesy parota.
So everything is finished.
What a Chinese day.
So guys, everything is calm.
What a cheese.
Look at this noodles, guys. Like, there's a mixed noodles, chili chicken, and beef. Whatever that is, beef or
Roast.
So that's how you enjoy food in life. Okay? Don't be murachis. Don't. This is the maternal side house, guys.